What's up everyone, JT's Daddy 21 doing another box break of 2008-2009 Exquisite Collection basketball. This will be box number 4 overall. I did buy this from a sealed case, but I only bought one this time. They are pretty expensive. Came from Peninsula Sports Cards up here in Belmont, California. So a couple shout outs to my boys Walt, TJ, and Steve over in that shop. Thanks a lot. So let's get to it. Hopefully we'll get something good this time. If you saw my other box breaks, they weren't that great. Some were alright, but hopefully we'll get something pretty good over here. That's the box ID. So here we go. Alright, right away, there's no autograph on this box. Alright, here we go. Our base card is Amari Stoudemire, number 24 of 125. We do have a redemption over here, so we'll save that one for last. Card number 2. Bob McAdoo, number 9 of 50 autograph. Alright. Another base card of Vince Carter, number 73 of 125. Not looking too good with 2 base cards already, and looks like another base card parallel with a jersey. 34 of 35 of Al Horford. And our last card is 2008-2009 NBA Exquisite Rookie Auto Level 2 number /99 of Michael Beasley. So we got a pretty decent rookie card, but not a great box after all. But thanks for watching. Bye.